Hi, this is Hector Aguilar of Aguilar Realty Group Homes, and today we're joined with Tiffany Gutierrez of InTouch Credit Repair.
Thank you for having me.
Thanks for setting some time aside to meet with us.
Absolutely.
And today we're going to talk about credit and the importance of credit when it pertains, to home ownership. Tiffany, tell me, why is credit important when someone's wanting to buy a home?
Absolutely. So credit is really important when trying to buy a home. You want to put yourself in the best position financially because it's such a commitment that you're making when purchasing the home that you want to make sure that you're, get the best rate and that your payment is affordable and all of that goes into it.
Wonderful.
Absolutely.
One of the things that my customers always ask me is, what is FICO Score and how does that pertain to being able to get either a better rate or a better program?
Yeah. So FICO Score, there's three major credit bureaus: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. They use the data collected from different creditors, such as credit card companies, your auto loan, home mortgages. They take that information, your payment history, and they collect all of that data, they put it in, and then they generate your FICO score with each bureau.
Okay, wonderful. Now, can you tell me a little bit about what factors might impact a person's credit score so that our customers can kind of think of that and maybe keep that in mind as they're utilizing their credit?
Yeah, there's as simple as address variation. We definitely look into that information, making sure addresses are correct that are appearing on your credit report. Also, those are just the simple ones. Inquiries, when you're shopping around, you want to make sure that you're limiting the inquiries that you're putting on your credit. And then obviously collections, late payments, all of that, those are also factors that impact someone's credit.
Okay, wonderful. I really appreciate you taking the time. I know how important credit can be in the home buying process. So those topics are really, really appreciative. I really appreciate your time. And if you guys have any question with reference to credit scores and maybe improving your credit, give us a call. You can reach me or you can reach Tiffany as well.
Absolutely.
And we look forward to helping you out.